Want to know how to loop a specific part of your track or just a certain part of your track in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And now once you've opened Audacity, here you should be provided with this page right here. And now in order to select a certain part of your looping, you can just simply import any track. First up, just simply select file, import any audio file. And now looping a certain part is super simple. Right here you should be seeing your timeline. It should be either on minutes or beats. So you can just simply click and drag to define looping region. So as you can see the text as well, you can just simply select it, and these highlighted part are the loop tracks. So if I select only this part, only this certain part should be looped up. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of this video.